of the signal anomaly conducted by the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey, every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather during the normal test time, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day. Reception of this broadcast.
11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather during the normal test time, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day.
Even though you are using a good quality receiver, working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous weather watches and warnings for the following counties and marine areas: Southeast New Jersey, Atlantic, Burlington.
The warning alarm tone will be activated for
coastal waters from Squamish,
Delaware, Kent, and Sussex. In New Jersey.
This concludes the weekly Test of NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards. Station KHB38 in Atlantic City, New Jersey. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards.
You suck.
Station WXJ94 in Lewis, Delaware. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards.
Hey, look, an early Christmas gift, I guess. Fair enough.